So I'm going to continue with the previous demo of creating this very simplistic Java web app using the Spark framework. But this time, instead of just running the web app within IntelliJ, we want to be able to create a fat jar or uber jar that contains all of the necessary Java dependencies and create a single jar file that can be uploaded to application runtime environments like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, Heroku, what have you. So the only changes that we're going to be needing to make are in the build.gradle file, which should be in the top level directory of your project. And we're going to add a couple new plugins. One of them is the application plugin, and the second is a Gradle plugin called Shadow, or Shadow Jar. We're going to add the most recent version. And then last but not least, the thing that we need to hint to Shadow, the plugin, is we need to specify the class name of our entry point, our Java class which has our main method. So in our case, we didn't even put it in a package, so we can just call it hello world. And otherwise, what we'll want to do is refresh our Gradle project so that the plugins get downloaded. And then last but not least, you'll see that there's a new task called Shadow Jar. And you can either run it from here in IntelliJ or you can run it from your command line. We'll run it from our command line. What this does is in our build directory, there's now a jar file, and we can run it from the command line. Oops. By giving it the exact path of the jar. We see the warning that we saw when we ran it previously in the last video, but we should be able to go to localhost 4567, hello, and our web app is running. So that is how you modify your build.gradle to create a fat jar that can be uploaded to web application hosting environments like Amazon, Google, or Heroku. Hope that was helpful.